Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a Amazon haul to share with you today. I was working on some graduation lace and I ordered in some eyelash yarn to create some lace for family members, and it just came in today. So today's Saturday. Saturday the 4th, May 4th. So I ordered in a bunch of these yarns to start my nephew's and my niece's graduation lace. And look at all these beautiful colors. I couldn't find them at the local craft stores, which was Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, all that. They just didn't have the eyelash yarn in the color that I wanted. So this is one of the colors. And then I have another one here, another bundle, and it all in one envelope. They all came all together. They're a lot smaller than I was expecting, but okay. So on Amazon, I just typed in eyelash yarn, craft yarn, and these all came up, and I just saw Ice Yarn, I guess is the brand, and they had all the colors that I could want for this project that I'm working on. Okay, so here we go. Let me just tell you the colors. So we have red eyelash, and we have green and black. Oh, here it is. Green and black color yarn. I don't know if you can even see it with this lighting. It's really bad. Evergreen eyelash yarn is what they call this color, but there is a little black tint to it. Okay. And then we have olive green, which is right here. Very nice. And this is what see the eyelash is, this is what they were talking about, by eyelash. There's a little fringe, basically. Then we have navy blue. This is the hardest color to find. But yeah, so we have, yeah, this is $5.99 for just this. And it is, let me see, how many yards? I don't know. It just says 100 grams or 150 meters, whatever that means. I'm not good with meters. Okay, so those are the colors that I got. And the other one I got was the khaki, which is this one right here. So they're quite long, if you see. There you go. So the lashes itself are pretty long, but this one's not as fluffy as this. See how hairy this one is? So there's different lengths. Okay. There's also the burgundy, which is this, and the pink I just got for fun, and then black. Whoa. Black and white. Oh, here it is. Black and white. Not black, but black and white. And you can see the different length again. So there's different styles. Okay, so that is what I got from my Amazon. And it came in a really good time. I ordered this on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. And it got here on Saturday. Tuesday, April 30th is when I ordered it. Yep. And it came pretty quick. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just some supplies that I just couldn't get on hand immediately, like at the stores. So that's why I turned to Amazon, because even online with those other hobby stores, they did not have these colors available. And I needed it. I needed it quick because I'm gonna make this project and then it's gonna go out in time for graduation. So I'll see you all in the next video. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment down below. Let's get chatting. I would love to communicate with you all back and forth. So stay tuned for the project, because probably after this I'll be getting to work on my graduation days. So see you all again, and thanks for watching. Bye.